excited to show you. It's very happy. I've never met this jungle before because I bring my snacks and my water bottle. Now, let's do it! Woohoo! Wow! Maybe and we are gonna enter the gate because if we enter the gate, we will go. It's still open. Now we can come inside. Let's go! Now here we are. We are in the jungle sign. So now we are gonna put the rubber in. But where's the rubber in? Oh, here it is. I forgot. Are you sure there are magical flowers in this wood? Because there's gonna be a big jungle.
Do you see a trail from that?
Very good.
Wow.
Okay. Come here.
Whoa.
Lay down for me. One second.
We go to that. Mom, go under that tree.
Okay.
Hold me, Mom. Hold right here.
Có đứng là được không?
Steve. Hey, Dad, stop right there. Very old. You see these? They fall down by lightning. Lightning can cause problems. They can burn the tree, and if the tree falls down, then that will happen.
Nó giống gì?
Akalot.
Acawot. Acawot. Ừ. Này là cái gốc cây thôi.
Yeah. Look.
Con gì á? Con gì á?
Tomorrow that way, okay? Oh, hi there. Now we made it to the farm. We go to that path all the way to here. Now we are not lost just because we cannot see where we are. So we are made it here in the end. And going inside the farm to see what they have, like different kinds of fruit, zucchini, tomatoes, or cherries.
Let's go.
And let's go. Come on. We would go back home. But I don't know where's the car, so Daddy is going. So let's go fast as we can, or the gates will close and we were stuck in the gates.